prokaryotic cells. Prokaryote means single cell. Eukaryote means multicellular. In prokaryotes, the DNA is present. Where is it? Yes, Malak? The DNA.
What, Miss?
Where is the DNA present in prokaryote?
Oh, in the prokaryote.
Yes.
In the prokaryote DNA, no, in cytoplasm.
In cytoplasm. I know that prokaryote has DNA, but that DNA it's floating in the cytoplasm. Whereas when you compare in the eukaryote, the DNA in the nucleus. Okay, Malak?
Okay, Miss.
In eukaryote, the DNA is in nucleus, whereas in prokaryote, the DNA is in cytoplasm. This is what we compared the prokaryote and.
Did you know that plants and animals are both eukaryotes? That means that both are made of eukaryotic cells that store their DNA.
They are saying that both plant and animal cells, they're not single cell. They have many cells. And that's why the plant and animals both are eukaryotic cell.
In a nucleus. Plant and animal cells also share many common organelles, such as mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi complex.
So we are talking about MREG. MREG. Both the plant and animal cells have MREG. Or once again, G. Or you can just say MERG so that MERG. MERG. You can make a short form from this.
Miss, is it M-E-R?
MERG, M mitochondrion. Girls, when I say mitochondria, it is the plural of mitochondrion, okay? Because in the vocabulary word, you have mitochondrion. So please don't get confused. Mitochondria is the plural of mitochondria. E for endo. Remember, it's endo. Endoplasmic reticulum. R is a ribosome. Both. Do you see here? This is the animal cell. This one is the plant cell. Both have mitochondria. Both has endoplasmic reticulum. Both have ribosome and both have Golgi complex. Okay? Will you remember that plant and animal cell, they have merge. You can remember the word merge. M-E-R-G. There is no one more E. M is mitochondrion or mitochondria. E is endoplasmic reticulum and R ribosome and G Golgi complex. Okay? Next.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
But there are also many differences between plant and animal cells. Click the images to learn more. Most plant cells have organelles called chloroplasts that contain the green pigment chlorophyll.
Now girls, see what I will do is I will make a heart here so that you remember this is something which they have in common.
Miss, I will never forget this heart.
Yes, I know that when I make a heart, I know it's a very bad heart.
No, Miss, this heart.
Which heart? Let me see what you're showing me. Are you showing me something? Which heart?
This one, Miss.
Okay, this one, okay. Okay, listen to me. Now, this is something which is present only in plant cell. This is not present in animal cell. What is that something?
Chloroplast.
Now, girls, you know what? It contains some green color pigment, which is chloroplast, which is used to make own food. Animals don't make their own food. Do animals make their own food?
No.
No. That's why chloroplast is only present in plant cell. So I just draw some plant. I will just draw some leaf here so that you know that this is something only the plants have. I will draw this green color leaf so that you know that it's only with the plant. If I ask you tomorrow, is chloroplast present in animal cell? Please don't
No.
yes. Okay.
Miss chloroplast in animal cell?
Chloroplast is only present in animal cell.
Miss type how it's
Sorry.
animal cell
It's
and
only
rights
present in
and
plant cells. Sorry. Most plant cells have organelles called chloroplasts that contain the green pigment. This chloroplast has green color pigment, something sticky, which is chlorophyll. You will remember chloroplast, chlorophyll.
Miss, what does the chloroplast do?
It is some substance which is responsible to make own food. You know the plants, they make own fruit, own flesh.
Yeah.
They eat by their own.
They take the sunlight and
Everything.
water.
They take the nutrients from the soil. And they take their food from the soil. So all this they do by themselves with the help of chloroplast and chlorophyll. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Plant cells have a large central vacuole that stores water.
Again, when animal needs water or we need water, is something stored in my body? No. The animal has to go and search for water. We have to go and search for water. But how are the plants? How about the plants? They have something called as vacuole. Remember, like vacuum. Vacuole, which is very big in size. See? When you see here, I will show you with the spotlight. When you see here, this big one, this is a vacuole where it stores water. Where it stores water, okay? So now there are two things I told you they have chloroplast, they have vacuole. These two things, chloroplast contain chlorophyll, which is responsible to make own food. Vacuole contains water. It stores water. Vacuole, it stores water. Plant cells have a large central vacuole that stores water.
When it is full of water, the central vacuole helps to give the cell shape.
When it is full of water, when it's so big, it gives the shape to all of the cell.
A plant cell also has a cell wall that surrounds the cell membrane.
See, cell membrane is present in both. Cell membrane is present in plant and animal. But when I say cell wall, it is only present in plant cell. Cell wall. Girls, please remember, chloroplast only in plant cell. Vacuole only in plant cell. Cell wall only in plant cell. If you want, you can just make a leaf somewhere in the notes and you can draw this and just remember that this is for plant cell. CVC.
Okay, Miss.
Chloroplast, vacuole, cell wall. And when I say merge, it's present in everything. Mitochondria in both. Endoplasmic reticulum in both. R is ribosome in both. G, Golgi complex in both. Now, Malak.
Yeah.
I want you to explain me this heart. I want you to explain me this circle. What did I say you? Come on,
Okay.
you do that.
Okay. The heart, this plant cell, the green metallic, I think.
Okay.
It's sticky that makes the food for the plant cell because plants make their own food. But animals don't make their own food.
Okay.
So plants
Hmm.
have chloroplasm
Very good.
and the vacuole
Excellent.
and cell wall. But
So these, the animal cell do not have this. So what is present in both? What is present in both? The heart, what is it M for?
Miss, M is for
Try, don't worry. See
M
and
is
sing.
for
No problem. See and sing.
okay. M is for mitochondria.
E is for
E is for
endo. You know something end.
endoplasma.
Reticulum.
And
R
is for ribosome. Ribosome.
G is for
G is for
Golgi complex.
No, it's Golgi. It's Golgi.
Golgi? Okay. I was taught
Miss,
Golgi complex.
I
You
don't.
can say Golgi complex maybe, okay? Now,
It's written complex because it is complex, really.
okay, Golgi complex. Now, Lean, can you explain me? Okay, Wati, your chance now.
Okay, the circle shape, there's a chloroplast and the vacuole and the cell wall, because this tree is a plant cell.
Okay.
But the heart figure, there is there is merg, MERG,
Okay.
close.
Chloroplast, vacuole, cell wall. This is only in plant cell. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Continue. I know I'm very slow because girls, these words are not easy. So I want you all to repeat and repeat so that you do well. Okay? Yeah, I don't know why.
Especially Golgi complex.
Yes.
It's super complex.
I don't know why Lean is not answering me. Maybe something wrong with her mic.
I don't know. She just closed it and opened it.
Okay. Continue. Let us continue.
Animal cells are eukaryotic.
1 minute, girls. I did not click on.
Most plant cells have animal cells have a cell membrane, but no cell wall or chloroplasts. They have vacuoles, but they are usually much smaller than the.
Okay. They have vacuoles, but not a big vacuole. They have vacuole, but there's very small vacuole. They do not have chloroplast. They do not have cell wall. They have very small vacuole. They do not have big vacuole.
Large central vacuole in plant cells. Animal cells have organelles called lysosomes, but plant cells do not.
Now see girls, ribosome, when I said ribosome, it was there in both. But when I say animal cell, I will draw it here.
I had to rejoin because I think you couldn't hear me.
Yes.
So I rejoined it.
Yes, I couldn't hear you, Lean. Now, when I say lysosome, it's only in animal cell. Just give me a second, girls. Only in animal cell. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
I know, girls, it's not easy, it's confusing, but please, even this T, I will remove the vacuole, maybe you get confused. Vacuole means here it is large vacuole. Here it is large vacuole. I'll write large vacuole. And when you say
Okay.
It's a small vacuole. Now, continue.
Animal cells have a cell membrane, but no cell wall or chloroplasts. They have vacuoles, but they are usually much smaller than the large central vacuole in plant cells. Animal cells have organelles called lysosomes, but plant cells do not. Animal cells are eukaryotic. Of course, that means they have a nucleus.
Girls, I really don't know whether you can draw this or not. But at least, girls, you know, you must have such, I don't know.
We draw it, miss?
I will show you, not like this exactly. I'm sure you cannot draw exactly like this. But at least see. At least. Or I will teach you how to draw in my next class because maybe we will waste a lot of time now. But I will show you. You have to draw. You have to learn how to draw, but not exactly so much, you know, complicated one. Simple ones. And I'm going to show you how to do it simple one. So just see what he's doing now.
They've also got other organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi complex.
So you remember this merge. Mitochondria, E, endoplasmic reticulum, R, ribosome, G, Golgi complex. You know this, merge, right?
Yeah.
Other than this,
Yeah, miss.
what animal cell has? He has lysosome. The animal cell has extra lysosome. And of course, nucleus and cytoskeleton.
Click the different parts of the animal cell to learn more about the structure and function of each organelle or part.
Let us start. Girls, the function is very, you might get confused. So that's why each and every function, listen to it carefully. I will repeat it tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Ribosomes are small organelles that make proteins by putting together chains of amino acids using instructions encoded in the cell's DNA. Prokaryotes also have ribosomes.
Again, ribosomes are something very small. Can you see these small circles? Very small circles. Small circles everywhere.
Yeah, miss.
Those very small circles, actually, what are they made? They do that. See, everything you will, make some symbol, like example. For me, I will make a symbol of, for ribosome, I will make a symbol of P. I will make a symbol of P, and I will also do one more thing. I will, like example, this is cooking P. When I say this is fire, they are making P. P means they are making protein. They are cooking means they are making proteins. Okay. We will not remember the whole sentence. We will just remember one word for everything. So ribosomes, they make proteins. Again, I will click on ribosome.
Animal cells are eukaryotic. Ribosomes are small organelles that make proteins by putting together chains of amino acids using instructions encoded in the cell's DNA. Prokaryotes also have ribosomes. Unlike plant cells, animal cells contained lysosomes. Lysosomes digest cellular waste. Some of the wastes are then collected in vacuoles to be transported out of the cell. These vacuoles are much smaller than the large central vacuole in plants.
So girls, what did they say lysosome? For lysosome, they said digest. You remember? For lysosome, they said digest what? Wastes. Again, digest waste.
And
Can go to vacuole. Okay, but these vacuole of the animal cell are not
miss,
large.
Ribosome. There's no ribosome in the plant cell.
Yes.
How will the plant cell digest waste?
Simple, girls. For animal cell, they need more to digest waste. First digest and directly then take out the waste through the vacuole. But in plant cell, they don't need to digest. They will directly take out the waste through the vacuole. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, so make protein, ribosome. Lysosome, digest waste.
Miss, is there a ribosome in the plant cell?
Yes, yes. In animal and plant, both have ribosome. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Animal cells are, unlike plant cells, animal cells contained lysosomes. Lysosomes digest cellular waste. Some of the wastes are then collected in vacuoles to be transported out of the cell. These vacuoles are much smaller than the large central vacuole in plants.
Did you understand this? Lean, what?
Yeah, miss.
It's very
Yeah.
Okay, next.
The Golgi complex, which is actually named after Camillo Golgi, who discovered it, is a system of flattened, stacked, pancake-like membranes. The Golgi complex is the cell's post office. It receives proteins and lipids.
See, what did he say? It's post office. You can just make an envelope here. You can make envelope here so that you will never forget in your life. Whenever you make a symbol, you will never forget. See, I make an envelope here so that you know it's like a post office. It will carry information and give information. So how it looks like, see, Golgi complex look like this, something like this, something like this, you know, something like this.
Actually, Miss, actually looks like you can put the middle.
They are saying that it looks like layers of pancake. These all are Golgi complex, what you see here, okay?
Pancake, Miss.
So, yeah. So what is its function? It's like a post box of the cell. Of course, it will help to receive and give information.
Lipids from the endoplasmic reticulum and modifies them for different functions. The modified lipids and proteins are sorted and packaged so they can be moved to other parts of the cell or outside the cell.
Wait, yes, tell me.
The Golgi complex is the orange part or the purple?
Purple part. Even orange part, see the big ones, they are called as ER, that's endoplasmic reticulum. Those small ones like purple, those are Golgi complex. Okay. I think girls, this is enough for today because you have lot, you know, all tough terms. This is something this is something not easy in science. That's the reason I'm going very slow. I know I might not finish my lesson on time, but I don't want to rush up. I want you to understand step by step.
Okay.
Okay? And one function is enough. If you remember make proteins, that's enough. If you remember digest waste and go to the vacuole and it comes out through that, that's enough. You don't need to go more in detail for grade 6. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We'll finish up our classroom.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, girls.
Bye.
Bye.